Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something truly creative and sustainable, denim bags. Yes, those old jeans lying into your wardrobe can actually transform into a stylish and very stylish way of bag, eco-friendly bag instead of ending up in the trash. Denim is one of the most durable fabric in the world. Hope you know that. Old jeans don't lose their strength, which makes them perfect for recycling, and you can't throw away because it's near to your heart. When turned into bags, denim becomes both fashionable and functional. Start with the old denims, cut into new patterns, add lining, stitch it carefully, and shape it into a tote, pack bag, or even a dining bag. You will be happy and your mind will be very in peace. Every recycled denim bag reduces waste and gives a second life of something we thought was useless. It's not just recycling, it's upcycling, turning into better. Working with your hands on denim recycling is like therapy. It's a mind relaxation therapy. It reduces stress, boosts creativity, and allows you to express your personality. Each bag carries a story, once a pair of jeans, now a sustainable fashion statement. Handmade denim handbags are in high demand in today's market. Sustainable fashion is a growing trend worldwide. Selling on platforms like Instagram or local craft fair can open a small business for you. Adding embroidery, painting, or custom touches makes your bag unique and highly valuable. So next time you think of throwing away old jeans, stop for a moment. Imagine them as a denim tote, a chic pack bag, or even a small dining bag. Recycling denim is not just about saving the planet, it's about creating beauty, reducing stress, and even starting a business. Let's make fashion sustainable, and denim bag at a time. Have you ever opened your closet and wondered what to do with those old jeans? Too worn out to wear, too valuable to throw away. But if I told you they could become something beautiful, practical, and special and sustainable? Welcome to the world of denim recycling, where old denim finds a brand new life as stylish, eco-friendly bags. Denim is one of the strongest and most long-lasting fabric ever created. Unlike many materials, denim doesn't lose its strength with age. In fact, old denim often has more character. Turning denim into bags means reducing waste and creating something timeless, something different, something new. Every recycled denim bag is not just an accessory, it's a statement of sustainability. Step 1. Collect old jeans. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. I wish you all are happy for whole life. Keep shining like a star. Keep smiling. Always keep happy. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.